Hey guys, today I want to teach you how to create fully working scoring system for your game. Doesn't matter it's 2D or 3D, this method will work everywhere because it's universal. And if you like my content and want to see more videos like this, please like this one and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. What we have here, well, I have player and I have those coins that I want to pick up. But if you don't have any model, of the coin or something like that, you can use simple uh, objects like squares or cubes or something like that. Just make sure to add collider to them and make sure to activate is trigger option because we will need it in our script. Also, we need to create tag for our coins, and for that we will go here in the inspector, and up top we will see tag, and we can click on the tag. Unity comes with the default tags, but we also can click add tag, click plus, and type here name of our tag. For example, coin with the capital first letter. Let's save. And now I will just select all of my coins and I will make sure to assign coin tag there. Now, if you don't know what is this tag at all, it's just like categories, and we can assign different categories in different game objects and then use them simply in the script. Now, let's go and create script in the assets view. So create mono behavior script. I already have one empty script. I called it scoring. Okay. And I will assign the scoring into the player, even though I think I already did. Yep. But you need to drag this script into the player. And let's double click to open in Visual Studio. Now, what we need here? Well, first of all, we will need variables. One will be for our coin score. Okay. So let's create public int coin score, and also public int score amount. So score amount will be amount which with we increase our coin score. All right. And well, now we will call on trigger enter function. So we can type on trigger enter 2D because I'm working in 2D space right now. But if you are in 3D space, you will just use on trigger enter without 2D. And here we will make things specific, and we will search for the tag of coin. So we can say if collision dot game object dot tag double equals, and in quotation marks we should say name of our tag. In my case it's coin, and with a capital C, but it's case sensitive, so type everything correctly there. But anyway, basically when our player triggers game object with the tag of coin, in my case this coin, something should happen, right? Our score should increase. Now, if you want to increase your score only by 1 point, you can technically just say coin score plus plus. It means that we are adding 1 point. But if you want to be more versatile, more flexible, you can use the score amounts, and we can say coin score plus equals score amount. Now, what is this plus equals? Well, plus equals means that we are taking coin score and we are adding score amount. So it's exactly same as to say coin score equals coin score plus score amount. So those two lines are completely same. First one is just shorter and a little bit more professional. So that's why we are using plus equals. Also, we can remove our coin after we pick up it. So we can say destroy collision dot game object. So we are destroying game object which we collided with. In our case, our coin. So basically, we can save the script. We can go back, let it compile, and if we select player, we have this coin score which is 0 and score amount which is 0. Now coin score, I will leave it as a 0 because when the game starts, we want to start with the 0 coins. Score amount, we can say 1, and it will increase our score by 1 point. But if you want to use other number, feel free to do it. So let me just show you. We have 0 coin, but when we collide with this coin, now we have 1, and now we have 2, and now we have 3. So everything is working. Next step will be to create visuals so that players can tell what is their score at the moment. For that, we need to create UI elements. So let's right click, UI, legacy and text. It will create canvas. And what I will do, I will change this canvas scale mode to be scale with screen size. And I will use my resolution, my full HD resolution, which is 9020 by 1080. So 9020 by 1080. Okay. Now let's select text. Let's go in scene view and let's click F to zoom in. It's up to you where you want to place your text. Okay, I usually place it the top right. Let's click on this rect tool and make the borders a little bit bigger so that we have some space. I will also select these anchor points and anchor it at the top right. And we are basically attaching our score to the top right. We are doing that because just in case our players will play our game in different resolution, we want our score to always appear top right, no matter resolution. Okay. Now in the text, we have this text. We can say here as a placeholder, something like score and bunch of zeros. If you have font in your project, you can drop it here in the font field. I have one font, I will use this one. Font size, you can increase font size however you want. And if we go in game view, this is how it looks like. We can obviously align it better in the center, for example. And yeah, you can also change color of the text however you like. But main thing is that now we have text. Now we need to connect this text with our coin score. And it's not very hard. Let's open our scoring script again. First of all, we need reference to our text element. By the way, let's change it to say score text. Okay. And since core text is part of UI system, up top we should import libraries. So we can say using Unity Engine .ui. Okay. Now let's create variable for the text. So we can say public text. Let's call this one score text. And in the start, void start, when the game starts, what we want to have. We want our text, so we want our score text dot text, so we are accessing text element equals, and in quotation marks we can type anything that we want to be written when the game starts. For example, I will say score 0. Okay. And it's fine, but after we pick up our coin, after we increase our coin, our score should also increase. So we can simply say score text dot text equals, and in quotation marks again, first of all we will say what should be written as a text element, in this case score, and after that I will just add my coin score integer, and this way our coin score text and our coin score will be connected. So basically we can save this script. That's pretty much it. By the way, if you want to learn Unity from scratch, I have courses. Link will be in the description so you can check them out. It's for the beginners. Even if you are completely new, it's fine. But anyway, let's select player. And in this core text, we will drop our score text here. And now let's hit play. When the game starts, we should see that score says 0. Yep. And now let's pick up our coins. 1, 2, 3. And yep, here we go. Everything is working. That's pretty much it. This is how easily you can create coin system in Unity 6. And well, again, if you like my content and want to see more videos like this, please like this one and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.